Now it's on video. And we started. Oh, wait, it always starts.
What we doing?
Yeah.
I got copper press washers.
Okay.
Why I say why they shiny? Because they got copper in them. Okay, they cheap steel. One on the outside, one on the inside.
Yep. Yeah, we got the squirt thing.
Vacuum bleeder. So, press washers. They changed the slide pin bolts to 14 instead of 13.
Look at his face. Look at the sky. Okay, look that. Got this really cool case with toodles. And he got some really cute shoes, really cute jeans, and a really cute jacket.
You talking about me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Because it looks great.
Thanks.
Your shoes look nice. Your jeans look nice.
Gotta be a mechanic then.
And you're dirty.
Dirty, yeah.
Because you're fixing the car that's dirty.
Sorry.
And my hands are dirty.
Give me 14 millimeter. I think this hose goes to the back. I mean to the. You see the indentations where it was already. The pressure, high pressure hose. So.
Wee! Got that? Ooh, bird. Come here. Come on. Come. Right here. I was trying to catch that bird on the log. So sorry.
Oh, when you're doing these slide pin adjustments, pretty much make sure this rotor is on the last groove.
Yes.
The lug nut. And
Daddy, guess what? Taco, maco, taco.
I'll put a lug nut.
Taco.
Put a lug nut on the outside.
Sir.
All right, Maya.
Sure.
All right, tire.
Tire? Tire's right there.
Brake fluid.
Brake foot is right over there. Oh, my shoelace. Like my shoes? I hope you like my shoes. I hope you like my shoes. Hope you like my shoes.
The vacuum bleeder, we're gonna pump it up all the way till you get to, we're gonna say 15, and then it's just gonna bleed on down.
I hope you like my shoes.
Yeah, pretty much.
And Daddy's hair.
Supposed to be.
Look at his hair.
Creating a vacuum first. I was just vacuum pump.
Yeah.
Why you are silly.
We're still fixing this blue truck. Look at the truck.
Got this?
Yeah! 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 He's got some tape on his jacket.
Must be a 10.
Must be a 10. 10. 10. This is a nice fill of glass. And this is my idea for dolls. A little paw. But I hope you like my shoes. Okay. Okay. Now, how do I stop it?